Alright, for this last video, for the laws of exponents, let's focus on the rule number 7. This is called negative exponent rule. So the negative exponent rule has two forms. We can have this as x to the power negative m. If you're given something like this, you can transform this into something like this. 1 divided by x to the power positive m. Or there are times that you're given something like this. 1 divided by x to the minus m. So this is equal to x to the power positive m. So this is what we call negative exponent rule. For example, if you're given x to the power negative 2, so this is just the same as 1 over x to the power positive 2. Okay? So this is our answer. How about this second example? So we are given 4 times x to the power negative 2 times y power positive 2 divided by 20 times x times z to the power minus 3. So we will use this rule, the negative exponent rule, to transform this expression. Okay? So we can write this as we have the coefficient, which is 4. So just copy. And then you just bring this negative 2 down. Okay? Because this is positive 2. This is negative 2. So when you bring this down, this becomes something like this. Put this is in the numerator, put this in the denominator, this becomes positive. Okay, then we have here 20, and then we have x. Then just write or copy the y squared, and then z is negative, you bring that up, so that becomes positive. Or writing it properly, we have 4 times y squared times z cubed divided by 20, then we have x, then times x squared equals. So we've noticed that everything is already positive, the exponent is already positive, so you can now simplify. So you can take these coefficients, deal with it. So the numerator is divisible by 4, the denominator divisible by 4. So when you multiply the numerator or divide the numerator by 4, that becomes 1. Then 20, denominator divided by 4, that is equal to 5. Okay? Then just copy y squared and z cubed. Then the denominator, we have x and x squared. So we can use the, sorry, this is x, yeah, correct. So we can apply the law of exponent number 1 or the rule number 1. So we can combine this. We have x, so this is product, no, multiplication. They have the same base. We just add the exponents. This is understood to have an exponent equal to 1. So that's why we have here power 3. Okay, or rewriting this, we have 1 times this product of y squared and z cubed, so the same as y squared z cubed, and the denominator is 5x to the power 3. Okay, so this is our answer. So as much as possible, express your answer with the positive exponents. So if you have negative exponents, you transform them using this negative exponent rule. Alright? I think that's all for this part. So this is the simplest, one of the simplest rule in the laws of exponent. If you have any questions, you may leave your question or comments in the section or the comment section below. Thank you.